Life is so simple. If you think it is, then it will. It is as simple as that. If you think, no bro, life is really so difficult for me. Whenever I try something, I fail. I try again, I fail. I try again and fail. But you need to understand this thing that you need to fail at least 10 times in a row so that you deserve success. If you think, no bro, what the hell are you saying? How I can handle 10 failures again and again? Then bro, understand this. Success is not simple thing. If you really want to get success, you have to give something. You have to sacrifice something. And if you think, no bro, I don't want to sacrifice anything, then this is not for you. And anytime if you think or say like, I don't want to do anything, that's mean you have enough food in your tummies. You have clothes to wear. You have home to stay. That's why you are saying this. I know sometimes you say, bro, I don't want to be uncomfortable. You know why? You know that. You have everything. That's why you are saying like this. And if you don't have anything, then you would say, no, bro, I need to do it. I'm really feeling so hungry. I really want to eat something. And for that, I really need to do something. Otherwise, I will die by starving. That's why I'm saying these consistency, hard work and discipline will automatically come if your tummy is not full. If you have to fight every single day, you never think about it. Discipline, consistency, you will automatically. It is as simple as that. If anybody is tell you, bro, do this to be consistent, then fuck it. Yes, fuck it. You don't need to think about those things. Just tell to yourself, bro, do you really want to do it or not? If your mind says, yes, I need to do it. I have no choice. I have no choice to choose. Why? Because I have to earn, I have to study. I have nothing. That's why I'm saying you have to understand this. If you think, no bro, I don't want to do such type of things, then fuck yourself. You can't do anything in your life. What the hell are you saying? What the hell are you saying? If you think you can't achieve it, why you can't achieve it? You can achieve so easily. You need to believe in yourself. Personally, I don't believe in myself. I hate myself actually. I have nothing special. But, I really want to die. Yes. But in reality, I have to live. You know what I say multiple times to myself that, bro Ankit, you gonna die someday. Yes, you don't need to commit anything. Are you getting? So, I just said to myself, okay, let's go for it. Give hard work that I really want that amount of hard work I can put in. I want to give that amount of hard work that achieving success in unbeatable. Inevitable. Got it? So, whenever you think about I really want to something, just ask, do you really want something or you just watch on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anything else? And then you create it, oh, I really want to do same thing. Then it is not for you. You have to understand this. I know it's kind of difficult for you to understand this, but I can't say anything. You have to understand that life is really so easy. Life is so simple. Don't make it complicated. If you need to earn money, then understand how money works. Understand your beliefs on money. Understand what is money actually. Ask this question again and again. What is money? What is money? What is money? What is inflation? Then you understand what the hell. This is something I can see. That's why. So if I have to tell you something like if anybody who is in 10th class and he is about to go in 11th class and he have to choose a stream, then I would say, bro, humanity is the great. It will help you in real life actually. Yes, You can get numbers so easily if you are a common sense, if you have a common sense and you are little bit of intelligent. Like me, I'm average guy. I get 95, 90, 80, 85 like a thing. These marks are so easy to get in arts. And you can learn lots of things while preparing these things. Like you can learn negotiation, sales, marketing. You can just know about these things because you have time. I take an example, you choose commerce or science, then you don't have any time. You just need to study and study. And I'm not saying you need to take arts or humanity. If you are confused, you don't know what my dream is, then you should take arts. That is great. I know some people say, brother, fuck, bro. What I say, arts is for weak student. Yes, you are absolutely right. Don't take it. Got it? And if you are brain, just remember it is great subject if you study not only your book, but also in real life what happening. And believe me, it will help you so much. Just give a try, my friend. Give a try.